Hi, Kiwi Squad. So today, me and my two little cousins are going to be doing the hot fry challenge. And the rules goes like this. Whoever doesn't eat the most or gets thirsty or their mouth be burning hot, they gotta drink all that water. All of it. No excuses. They wanted water, they get water. So let's get started with the video. And don't mind how they look.
Cause we woke up like this. I woke up today. Okay. Kiwi, you're not in the video. Okay, we got our hot fries and we're ready to start.
Ready, set. No, we should do a timer thing. A timer.
Yeah.
Alright, go get your phone. So we can do. We're gonna do the time. So we gotta eat it in.
Don't make no excuses about the timer thing. And don't say come on.
Wait, I forgot.
2-0. It's 2-0. It's 11.
Oh.
Good, Kiwi. You're such a
Alright.
good Kiwi.
We sorry. We wanted to put it on time. So.
The timer is like this. You push that arrow on my phone, and you have it clock.
So we gonna do 10 minutes. Gotta eat it in 10 minutes. No, let's do 5 minutes.
No.
10 minutes.
Let's do 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
No. 20 minutes.
20 minutes is too long.
Yes.
You gonna keep them waiting.
Okay, fine.
Let's
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
It's not gonna work. Girl, we can eat it in 10 minutes. Right. Put just 20 minutes.
20 minutes is too long. I should might as well do the video.
Put 15 minutes. Just 15.
You put seconds, Kaya.
No, I didn't. That's how my phone goes.
Right.
Kyle, you already eating them.
You cheating. Now you're gonna have to drink the extra water.
No, I don't need no hot.
Ready, set,
and go.
I should already have that. I'm gonna take myself time for 15 minutes is enough time for me.
Okay. I'm not trying to drink all that water. Ooh. You already need water. They can't even see you.
I'm gonna put up really.
Turn my phone back on.
Taking my sweet time.
That's crazy. Oh.
Look at all that time left.
All that time. You should have did, guys, 10 minutes. Guys, we should have just go in slow motion. Cause we only got 13.
No, we're gonna time them out.
13 minutes.
Listen.
All that time. Oh, damn. Want some water?
I'm gonna give it that.
I'm almost done. Look at that. Good. I got like 4 more left.
Oh, and also the losers have to walk around with panties on their head, especially the Kaya panties.
Would that be dirty?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
What she say?
He got one pair of clean panties. We're saying that out loud. Done. What? I'm not the loser, girl. Y'all crazy. No, guys, it's against me and my cousin. Those are good. Woo! Hurry up, y'all.
You need that water.
With that.
You need that water.
I won.
No, you didn't. You don't get to drink it. The loser has to drink it.
Hurry. I'm going to keep the time. These are really good and hot. Why is it not working? Look, 11, 10 minutes, and 58, 57 seconds. Just take it.
I'm about to win this.
She almost done.
Woohoo!
Kaya. Oh, you're gonna have to work for Kaya.
It's gonna be a clean wear.
It's gonna be a dirty time. And you lost. Done. He still got all of my eyebrows left. You only got 3 minutes now. It's like 30 seconds. Which will mean 3 minutes. Oh. I think you better hurry up for time or not. We should have did 10 minutes. So. Oh my gosh, you wasted our time. Okay. So she lost. So she gonna have to drink. No, let's give her a little time. No, because this is wasting their time. They don't want that long behind video. Yeah, time's up. This big behind. Drink it. I'll go get some dirty underwear.
What the fuck? What is this?
It's just water. Don't drink it yet. I'm going to show the audience. Guys, she about to drink it. Look.
Look at my bag.
She's still ain't done. Those were good. They not even hot. Cause I ate them the whole time, so they not hot. I don't think I'm done. Cause look. You done? You done?
You're killing me, yo.
Oh, and guys, I told Keely that wait, don't drink it yet.
I'm not drinking it yet.
We waited for money, but I'm the one that said for us to have a hot Cheeto, a hot fry contest. I don't mean Cheeto, okay? You done? She done! Finally! Say, yay, I'm done.
No. I just farted.
Ew!
Looks like you did it before. Riri, hurry up.
Okay, Keely.
They better be clean. They might not have no doo-doo stains in it. I swear to God.
I don't poop on myself.
Smell it first, Kylie. You better smell it.
Look at that. Stop, Kaya. Look at that. So these the underwear that she got with her hair.
Like?
Doo-doo stain on it.
No, I'm not wearing one with doo-doo stains.
Oh shoot. It don't really have. It don't have doo-doo stains. Wait, they got. Stop. I'm gonna put it on her head. No. The winner gotta put it on the loser's head.
And you're the winner.
Look, Keely. That's all it got on it. Look at that. Okay, you ready?
No.
Did you drink all that water?
No, not yet. She kept telling me not to.
Why? You gotta drink it with the underwear on. Okay, guys, she about to do it.
Butt straight.
She gotta drink that whole punch. Can you stop this? No. Drink it. Keep on drinking. Drink this.
Get my phone out my face.
This is gonna take for hours.
Ew, I can't do Kaya panties. That's the problem.
Want to do mine?
I'd rather do mine.
Hers don't got nothing on it. And you,
Yes, it
yours,
do. You want to see it?
Oh, never mind. No. No. Keep drinking that water.
I know.
She said she stopped. Ew. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. Okay, guys. Bye.
I'll end this out. So, okay, Keely Squad. So,
That's all we have for today.
thanks for watching.
Comment to our page.
I don't care about them right now.
Since she didn't eat all of it. It got in my hair.
Stop.
You didn't drink all of it.